smooth.
What'd you get? Well, how much is that? Oh, how much is mine? What the hell? 48? Hey, look. We only have 48 credits. It better not be no 10.
Nigga right here. That's that nigga right there.
Undertaker. Oh.
Hey, did you see? They came back. They came back.
Yeah, I saw The Rock. Yeah, The Rock. Roman Reigns. Nah, Roman Reigns that nigga. No.
Yeah. They about to. I don't know if they about to fight or if they about to go against some other niggas.
I don't know, cause I saw them. They're both Hawaiian and shit, and I saw like
They're cousins. Cousins.
No way.
Roman Reigns in the Rock.
Seth Rollins.
I don't know if they're cousins in real life. But they're definitely cousins in the universe.
In the universe. Oh my God! Hey, look, that's that shit right there. Oh my God! Oh my God, man! God! I ain't gonna lie, this anime was kind of weak. All the hype they had on this shit was pretty weak. This nigga done stole the oh! This nigga done stole the ball, man. You not supposed to do that. He ain't play no credits, no nothing. Look. Oh yeah, let's do this one first. You gotta warm up on this one, okay? And then we can go move over.
Get one out of here.
Look at this one.
Last two cards.
How many balls in here?
What the hell?
Where are the balls at?
That shit working.
Wait, what's going on with yours?
Ain't shit, but hey, totally loose as fuck. This thing.
My bumper about to come off.
What the fuck? What's the dust y'all niggas? You're not even in the same.
Not at all.
Wait, are you in the same one as me?
You the only nigga who did it.
Is it good?
It's not working. Ladies and gentlemen, we outside, yeah. We have a nigga drunk off Jose Cuervo.
He can't walk when he's drunk.
We don't drink that on this side.
Looking for you, listen to my heartbeat, baby.
Let's take this good night and make it better.
A bottle for the party crown. Be good. Yeah, right, nigga.
should grab a piece of gum, feel me? Hey Mo, we coming out the bitch mode. We coming out the bitch mode. It's fucking snowing mode. We coming out this shit and it's snowing mode. I ain't got no hood on me. What in the hell? Hey, what the fuck? I ain't gonna lie. This reckless. I ain't gonna lie. This not the. Hey, nah. I'm cold as hell. I'm cold as shit. Hey, what the fuck? What the fuck?
You know where Echo is? You know what Echo is?
Echo's back that way, back this way, behind you. He's talking about Echo stage, Mo. He's still, man. He just passed. Exactly, it's over with. Goddamn. Hey, nah, I'm dying, Mo. We walking against the shit. Fuck, Mo. Hey, yo. What in the fuck? Look at me. Look. I'm bougie, okay? I don't do this. What the fuck? No, Jesus Christ! Look at this nigga. Oh my God, Mo. Got dandruff. Damn, Mo. Tragic. This thing got a hood on.
What the fuck is going on, bro?
No, like, it's like 40 degrees and it's fucking snowing.